Don't sell your home right now or you'll miss this opportunity. Are you wondering why a realtor is telling you not to sell your house? Well, hear me out. This week, I sat down with friends to talk about finding a home that better fits their needs. They currently own a beautiful home here in Morgan Hill, but it is time for the next chapter. They asked me, what are our choices? Where a lot of agents will just see dollar signs, I see opportunities for my clients. Now, this doesn't work for everyone's financial situation or preferences. However, I always suggest exploring the avenue of investment properties. And when you're working with a lender, they can absolutely use that amount as qualifying income. So this specific home has a main home and an ADU, which really means that there's 2 rental properties and twice as much rental income. I remember being younger and thinking that investors were made up of the uber rich, walking around with briefcases full of money. I imagined that they came to houses waving cash in the air thinking they were better than anyone else. Now I realize they were the smartest people in the room, and this is full of opportunity. Now I see investments as a way to secure our future, to pay for college tuition and pay for our retirement. I realize now how achievable this is for everyone, and it's absolutely the best hedge against inflation. In this situation, I don't know what my clients are going to do yet. However, my job as their realtor isn't to make a quick buck. My role is to partner with them and make great decisions for their future. If you'd like to know more about investment opportunities, give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more content on Silicon Valley real estate.